Alam niyo bang may beautiful place sa Dhofar, Salalah, Oman na tinatawag na Wadi Darbat? Charot. Yes, dito mi naglaag guys sa Wadi Darbat. Beautiful talaga siya, and during Kharif season, ito siya ang one of the most visited place in Salalah, ilahang Wadi. And then you can do doon kayak and many adventures. So kami amo ang nagkitry ning ilahang kuan diri na sila yung mag-boat ride. So tanawan there is a video kanindot tanawa ka clear sa water. Pero kung ganahan mo maglaag diri during Kharif season mo nila ting bugnaw, be sure to bring mosquito repellent kay daghang mamaak nga lamok guys. For those who want to visit Wadi Darbat from Salalah, it is an hour ride from the center of Salalah. So south ni siya, part of Dhofar region. So it's best to visit here during monsoon season from June to September. Kay makita ninyo ang green talaga yung surrounding, tsaka malamig siya, maganda mag-picnic and any activities there. So for now, samahan nyo na lang kaming mag-ikot-ikot dito sa kanilang Wadi Darbat. Enjoy nyo ang magandang kapaligiran. Diba, mararag sa Lubok River. Napod sila dahin in the middle of the desert. Akalain mo yung may ganitong kagandang view sa gitna ng desyerto na hindi mo talaga lubos maisip paano ginawa ni Lord yun, no? God is so amazing to have this beautiful creation. Kaya enjoy natin ang magandang view na to. Samahan nyo kami at sa aming paglalakbay at pagre-relax. Charot. Adventurist yan. Adventurous.
The Lord God made all.
Please like and share, subscribe. Please and start.
Please send Gcash. My Gcash number is...
Comment ka sa post ni Ems. Gcash mo yung i-comment. MC